Hey everyone, we have a TLS caliper kit finished up today. These were built for Acura TSX fitment, and he also sent in some rears to be powder coated to match. The color is Sparks Blue. As you can see here, it looks really nice. This color is actually the first time we've done this color. So our TL Type S caliper kit is basically modified calipers to bolt on to your 5-lug Honda or Acura. All you got to do is get the rotors and pads, and you have a full four piston brake setup ready to go. If you want to order this package, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can order for your vehicle, and optionally, if you want to have the rears powder coated to match, you can shoot us an email afterwards. We can set up an invoice for that as well. The caliper kit does come with all new hardware, bolts, new caliper bolts, and shims for the rotor. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.